In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Close CRM. We'll walk through signing up, connecting your accounts, and getting confident with the main parts of the app so you can manage leads, communicate faster, and track results all in one place. First, head to Close and start a free trial. During setup, connect your email and calendar. Gmail works great, but you can link other providers too. This sync ensures every email and meeting related to a lead is automatically logged, so you don't have to copy and paste anything. Give the app permission to access your inbox and calendar, and you're ready to go. When you land on the dashboard, you'll see the key sections: inbox, leads, contacts, opportunities, and workflows. Take a moment to click through each so you know where things live. Think of this as your control center for the day. Your inbox is the hub for emails, calls, and SMS. Reply right from here to keep everything in context. If something is finished, mark it done. If you want to circle back later, snooze it and it will resurface at the time you choose. Keeping this tidy helps you focus on what needs attention now without losing track of the rest. Leads are the companies or accounts you're working. You can add them one by one or import a CSV if you have a list. During import, map your columns to the right fields and customize fields so you capture the details that matter to you. Use filters to slice by status or source so you can see, for example, which leads came from a specific campaign and where they are in your process. Contacts are the people associated with each lead. Link individuals to the right company so emails, calls, and notes stay organized. This makes it easy to see every conversation thread with a buyer or stakeholder. Opportunities, sometimes called deals, track the money in motion. Set up your pipeline stages, like new, qualified, and closed, and move deals along as they progress. The board view gives you a visual snapshot of your deal flow, expected values, and where you might be stuck. Workflows help you automate repetitive tasks. You can trigger actions when a new lead is added or when a deal is created, like sending a welcome email or assigning the lead to a teammate. Start simple, test it, and let Close handle routine follow-ups for you. For communication, use the built-in dialer, send emails or SMS, and let Close log every interaction automatically. Finally, open reporting to see activities, revenue, and conversion rates. These insights show what's working and where to adjust, so you can improve your process over time.